इंटेलिजेंस क्या होती है, बढ़ती है मेडिटेशन से या घटती है? तो करना चाहिए, करके देखें। कम ऑन, क्लोज योर आईज। And take a deep calming breath. Uncross your hands. अपने हाथ ऐसे बांधेंगे नहीं, खुला छोड़ेंगे। Receiving position में put your hands on your knees, facing upwards, so that you are receiving energy at that time, facing up towards the sky. Take a deep breath in and relax your body. And now imagine seeing the heart of earth. You bow down to this heart and show gratitude and thank Mother Earth for providing everything for your well-being. And in this area, you feel as safe as you were in your mother's womb. I want you to now start absorbing the pink light from the heart of earth, the energy of love, the energy of safety and security from the heart of earth, and absorb it into your roots. Slow deep breaths. Slow deep breaths. Where is it showing? Heart chakra? Heart? Relax. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. And slowly and gradually rub your hands, put them on your eyes and come back. Nahi la rahi thi? Because you were in total relaxed state. Right? ये तो नींद इसलिए आ गई क्योंकि हम सीधा लंच करके आए थे, वो खाना हमारे अंदर। Are you all okay? How was this experience? Anybody wants to share? अब कोई डर है इस मोमेंट में? Cannot be, क्योंकि हमने अपने बॉडी का पैरासिम्पैथेटिक नर्वस सिस्टम ऑन करके फुल ब्लास्ट पे चला दिया. And so our body has now a rush of chemicals that are happiness chemicals, easy chemicals, right? This is how you maintain your healthy state of mind, a healthy state of health, a healthy state of emotions. और meditation आप करते जाएंगे, करते जाएंगे, करते जाएंगे, you will then become a state of meditation yourself. हम किसी गुरु के सामने जाके बैठते हैं, एक sense of ease feel होता है. कितने लोग आते होंगे उनके पास अपने लाइफ के इतने बड़े बड़े प्रॉब्लम्स लेके? कभी देखा आपने उनको कभी ऐसे वीक होते हुए, परेशान होते हुए, एंग्री होते हुए, अग्रेसिव होते हुए? नेवर, बिकॉज दे आर इन अ स्टेट ऑफ मेडिटेशन. और फिर फियर्स आपको मैनेज करने आ जाएंगे. अभी तक फियर हमें कंट्रोल कर रहा था, अब जब हमें स्टेट ऑफ माइंड में आ जाएंगे, हम किसी और को समझाने लायक भी बन जाते हैं. You can first of all help yourself and then help others as well. Do you want to become that individual who is able to contribute something to someone and help them in their situation? You all will need it the most, because you are the ones that are going to face situations which are sometimes going to be very happy, sometimes not going to be so happy, sometimes going to be ugly and devastating, right? So अपने अंदर झूलता हुआ पेड़ नहीं बनना है और इमोशंस को मैनेज करना सीखना है. Right? The gist of today's session was this only: how to manage yourself.